Hi, welcome to my video on exact problems number 3. In this video I'm going to simplify this expression. Cos of alpha plus 45 degrees subtract sine of alpha plus 45. This is the addition formulas for cos and sine. So the cos is cos, sine, and it's alpha 45, alpha 45. And the cos is cos, sine, with a minus between these two. So that's the cos of alpha plus 45, subtract. So the sine of the addition is the sine, cos, and it's cos, sine. And again, it's alpha 45, alpha 45. And in the cos, in the sine, if you have a plus, it stays a plus. So that's, now we can have a couple of, we can do the subtraction or we can simplify the cos. So let's do the subtraction first. Okay. Okay, that stays the same. When we subtract these two expressions here, we can put either subtract by adding on the opposite, which makes, that's a plus, so that becomes a minus, sine alpha cos 45. And that plus becomes a minus, cos alpha sine 45. Another way is to put a 1 right here and go -1 times this positive, which is a negative, and -1 times positive, which is a negative. Now that we have all that done, let's simplify the cos and the sine of 45. Well, in the right triangle, we have a 45. So this angle is 45, so I have 1 root 2. So the cos of 45 is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So if we take this 45, adjacent is 1 over root 2. If you take this 45, you can still get 1 over root 2 times root 2 over root 2. So that becomes root 2 over 2. And the sine of 45 is the same answer because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So you get 1 over root 2, which simplifies to root 2 over root 2. So let's go up here and change the cos 45 and the sine 45 to root 2 over 2. Cos alpha root 2 over 2, subtract sine alpha root 2 over 2, make that an alpha, subtract sine alpha root 2 over 2, subtract cos alpha root 2 over 2. And I notice that this is a positive and that's a negative same term, so they cancel out. So that means we're adding these two together. And when we add these two, I just want to rewrite this as negative root 2 over 2 sine alpha. And this one is negative root 2 over 2 sine alpha. So to add these, we have a common denominator, the same terms. So we have sine alpha. And 2 is a common denominator, so we get a negative root 2. Subtract root 2. So that gives us a negative 2 root 2 over 2 sine alpha. And the 2's cancel, so we got a negative root 2 sine alpha. And that simplifies that expression, which brings us an end to this video. And like all the rest, if you like my video, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content That's the content that I have on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Just one word. Thank you for viewing the video. Hope the video was of some help to you. Bye-bye.